This is how we can make a building. This is the concept art by an artist, a Brazilian artist named Fernando Correa, if I can recall well. This have a bunch of details like the motorcycle, the billboard, the trash can, the air conditioner, the staircase that it's a little bit height on the back, but I did it in another way. But I make a little bit of a modification in Photoshop. I removed one of the stores for one of the previous concept that I was more comfortable to work with. I put the staircase there. I removed the motorcycle. I put some poles on the street, and I also did a different version, a 3-store version, but I wasn't comfortable with that because it was a little bit more of a complication. And I also choose one color scheme in order to paint it, but I end up working with different kind of colors, and I stay with this version. Well, not with the one of the bike, but with the next one. Let me show you. And this is what I did for the like the pre-visualization on ZBrush. And even so, I got a little bit of a AI concept art in order to find more inspiration. And this is the reference that I got. This is something for the bricks. This is a fence. I end up not using it, but I also found different concept art from the same guy, Fernando Correa, just for reference, for the look of the final model. I found this on Pinterest, just random art by some very talented artist. And at the end, I start building some parts. In this stage, I make like a little power pole or something like that. And this is the part in which I can show you the pre-concept that I did in ZBrush. I make it part by part in order to have a more clear idea of what I was hoping to achieve. I end up making some different versions like this 3-store building, but we never did it. Now I will show you the step-by-step creation of the building. This is the base. As you can see, I draw some marks in order to see where all the columns will be put or where the sidewalk, even if I modify some of the parts later. And this part I am doing the columns. I am trying to sand up a little bit the sticks that I already measure with the height that I want for the whole building. And now I'm trying to make it even. I put it all together, and I put some effort on sanding with this machine, but you can do it with any tool you want. Just maybe putting your sandpaper on the floor, and that should be all. And right after that, I'm gonna show you how I install each of the columns. Here, as you can see, I already put 2. I just make some holes with a simple drill. I put the screw, I put it almost all the way in, and I already have made the hole on the column, by the way, and I just simply spin the column into the screw, and right after that I do remember putting some glue and strengthening up the screw with my screwdriver a little bit, just in order to make it a little bit more solid. Right after that, I am showing you how the structure, the base of the structure, will look like this. And in this step, as you can see, I try to plan everything based on my 3D schedule to avoid any possible issue in the future. And this part, I'm gonna show you how everything ends. I try to make the screws a little bit deeper, making the shape of the head of the screw into the wood without breaking the wood, of course, to avoid losing stability. And on this part I already cut the styrofoam that will compose each of the floors. In this part I already put some elements, as this lamp that you see down below the left. Here I already placed the three styrofoam pieces, the two stores, I'm sorry. And now I'm gonna show you how I built this lamp. It's just some simple tubes and parts that I could. I just placed this light with these wires here, and I put some elements that make it look like a real lamp. I'm gonna install it over the side of the building. This is the post that I could. I will put some glue here in order to make it a little bit more stable, and right after that I have to paint it. And this is the base of the actual building. I'm gonna pour some concrete over this complete hole, and I will make the sidewalks from this. This is the first test. As you can see, it's cracked because I make some mistake mixing the concrete, and it broke, but I have to make another attempt in order to make it a little better.